In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text box in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're updating a form, adding a quick note, or correcting a document you received, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to place and type into a text box using Acrobat's built-in editing tools in a clear, reliable way. First, open Adobe Acrobat and let it load fully so all the tools appear. These steps work in the current Acrobat interface, and they're very similar in recent versions, so if your screen looks a little different, the options will still be in familiar spots. Next, open your document. If your file is a docx, you can open it in Acrobat just like a PDF. Acrobat will convert it to a PDF behind the scenes and then display the pages. If you see a brief processing message, that's normal. Wait until the pages render completely before continuing, especially with larger or graphics-heavy files. Once it's open, navigate to the page where you want to add your text. Now look to the upper left area of the window and click Edit. This switches you into the editing workspace and reveals controls for changing text and images on the page. You'll know you're in the right mode when the document content becomes selectable and a formatting panel appears. If you accidentally select existing text, don't worry, just click on an empty area of the page to deselect it. Choose text. This is the tool that lets you add new text to the page. Your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to place text. Click once where you want the text box to start. Acrobat automatically creates the box at the spot you clicked and places the insertion point inside it so you can begin typing immediately. If you don't like the placement, you can move it later. Type your sample text. As you type, the box will expand to fit your content. If you need a specific width, drag the corners or edges to resize the box. To reposition in it, hover near the border until you see the move. Cursor, then click and drag to a new location. Use the formatting controls to match the rest of the document. Adjust the font, size, color, and alignment as needed. A handy tip is to temporarily choose a contrasting color while positioning the text for visibility, then switch back to the final color when it's aligned. If the text isn't lining up perfectly, zoom in and use the arrow keys for fine adjustments. If you make a typo, just place the cursor back in the box and edit normally. That's it. Open Acrobat, open your document, click Edit, choose text, and type. With these steps, you can add clean, readable text anywhere on the page in just a few moments.